Oh, welcome. How do you protect yourself against Primerica agents? I'm going to show you how to use this book and do so right now. Inside of this book, we're going to cover a few things. All right, let's get into it. So many of you know that Primerica built their entire business on buy term and invest the difference, right? But many of you never asked the question, what does that truly mean? Well, I'm going to give you some insights here. Now, buy term and invest the difference. This is what it means. It's an alternative to cash value insurance is to use a strategy called buy term and invest the difference. What they're pretty much saying is this. You're going to buy a lot of term insurance for a very low rate, and you're going to get paid less and able to get more coverage. So that could be an average of anywhere from 5, 10, 15, 20-year, 30-year term. Great. Now, they always say that invest the difference. Well, at least that's what they say. But what does that really mean? 9 out of 10 times, they're going to put you in one of two things. They're going to either put you into an IRA or they're going to put you into a Roth IRA. Those pretty much their two options. IRA or Roth IRA. Now, the smart ones may say, hey, put you in a Roth IRA. The mediocre ones may put you into an IRA. Now, why do I say this? Let me show you what's going to happen here, right? Because one of the things that they mention here in the book, that's why I'm going to give you where you could go get the resources, the book. It says, the first order of financial planning should always be to ensure that the insured has enough